10 most amazing military vehicles in the world. Welcome to the world of cutting-edge military technology. Today, we'll explore some of the most impressive and innovative vehicles designed for modern warfare and defense. From electric buggies to advanced tanks, these machines are built to tackle tough challenges on the battlefield. With features that prioritize safety, efficiency, and versatility, let's dive into this exciting lineup. Number 1. Niccolo Electric Buggy. First up is the Niccolo Electric Buggy. This agile vehicle is perfect for navigating rough terrains and comes packed with high-tech gadgets. It has a remote-controlled machine gun that can fire an astonishing 6,000 rounds per minute. The buggy boasts a powerful 555 horsepower engine, allowing it to reach speeds of 95 kilometers per hour and travel a remarkable 322 kilometers on a single charge. Number 2. Moire Smart Aircraft. Next is the Moire Smart Project, a remarkable flying command post. With advanced sensors, it can spot targets from 9,000 meters in the sky. Its ability to take off almost vertically allows for rapid deployment in tight situations. It combines the strengths of reconnaissance aircraft and attack helicopters, providing real-time data and support for ground troops. Number 3. Kodiak Engineer Vehicle. Meet the Kodiak Engineer Vehicle, built on the chassis of the famous Leopard 2 tank. Weighing around 62 tons, it features tools like an articulated bucket and a sophisticated winch system, making it ideal for clearing obstacles. This vehicle can even transform into a mine breakthrough system, ensuring safe passage for troops. It can operate remotely, which keeps the crew out of harm's way while still effectively handling tough jobs on the battlefield. Number 4. Kyla NG Demining Unit. The Kyla NG is a mobile demining vehicle designed to clear safe paths for troops. It can flatten anti-tank ditches and clear 250 meters of ground per minute, significantly speeding up operations. With a weight of about 63 tons, it's both powerful and sturdy. This vehicle can also be controlled remotely, providing extra safety for the crew. Equipped with a smokescreen system, it can protect itself while working in dangerous environments. Number 5. Fenic Reconnaissance Vehicle. The Fennec is an advanced reconnaissance vehicle that provides vital support in locating targets. It weighs up to 12 tons and can reach speeds of 100 kilometers per hour. With a crew of 3, it's equipped for missions lasting up to 5 days, featuring an automatic grenade launcher and a machine gun for fire support. Its advanced navigation system allows it to operate effectively in various environments, ensuring that it can outmaneuver adversaries when necessary. Number 6. Leopard 2 ARC 3.0 Tank. At the Eurosatory 2024 exhibition, the Leopard 2 ARC 3.0 tank caught everyone's eye. This tank replaces the human gunner with smart electronics, making it more efficient and reducing the crew's risk in combat. It can fire 3 shells in just 10 seconds, allowing for rapid responses in firefights. With its autonomous turret and advanced sensors, it helps commanders make quicker decisions, significantly enhancing battlefield effectiveness. Number 7. AAC-E Amphibious Bulldozer. The AAC-E Amphibious Bulldozer is designed to prepare shorelines for heavy equipment crossings. It can dig, level ground, and transport materials, all while being operated by a crew of 2. Its unique suspension system enhances its overall efficiency, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. This vehicle is equipped with modern technology, including cameras for day and night operations, ensuring it can function effectively in all conditions. Number 8. Mi-26 Helicopter. The Mi-26 is the largest mass-produced helicopter in the world, making it a crucial asset for rapid transport. It can lift up to 20 tons and reach speeds of 295 kilometers per hour, making it incredibly versatile. With a cargo compartment that fits 82 people, it's perfect for transporting troops and heavy equipment quickly. Its ability to perform aerial resupply missions makes it invaluable during large-scale operations, ensuring that forces remain well-equipped on the ground. Number 9. MYL All-Terrain Vehicle. The MYL All-Terrain Vehicle is a reliable choice for off-road adventures, designed for both military and civilian uses. With a fuel-efficient diesel engine and a comfortable cabin, it can carry up to a ton of cargo, making it highly functional. Its rugged design ensures durability even in the harshest conditions. Number 10. OB 950 Armored Airboat. The OB 950 Armored Airboat is perfect for patrols in shallow waters and is designed for both rescue and tactical operations. It's compact and can reach speeds of up to 33 knots, allowing it to maneuver quickly in challenging environments. With B6 level armor and air conditioning, it provides a safe and comfortable environment for its crew.